family has a deeper meaning among individuals, where it becomes more meaningful. Enjoy the family we are. We belong. Have fun, fun, fun. God bless.
That was a warm welcome remarks of yours, Sir Jose. Thank you so much. Your words have truly set the stage for what promises to be a fun and memorable event.
That's right. Oh. Oh, trial pa lang eh. Dalawa din eh. Halang ka naman. Trial na. Murag nag-practice mo ka ganina. Duda lagi ko kani. Trial pa lang. Okay. Okay, so naka-decide ko, hindi na mag-trial. O, hindi ako konta. Wala lang din. Okay. Parang hindi ko makuha ng contest. Hindi na nakapila. Pwede ba daw jump? It's up to you. Okay, Kylie, go back now to the starting point.
Starting point.
Okay, we'll assign facilitators for grade 7, Ma'am Angeli. Grade 8, Ma'am Erica. Grade 9, Sir John. And then grade 10, Sir Jem. Okay, kindly go back now to the starting point. And please be careful with my hearts. Go! Oops, careful, facilitators. We'll then start from the top. Okay? So you may start strategizing on how you will do this game.
We also have our grade 9 teachers to see if our players are following the mechanics and being careful with the touching of the cups.
Yes, Ma'am Ashton, you're not supposed to touch. Only
Yes.
the facilitators are allowed to touch the cup. Make sure you blow the balloon bigger para ma-squeeze yun siya inside the person. Ma'am Ange, they're not supposed to use their fingers to, diba, tighten hold na. So just or to hold the balloon. Okay. Kindly check, Pasils.
The order of the players should be parent, student, and student.
Going back to the first player.
And that is the end part of the game, right, the match?
Yes.
So the last person transfers the cup to the first person, following still the mechanics. That's the end point of the game. And then one team wins.
Wins. Okay, can we have a visible line from all of our players?
Can we have the lines, please? In 10 seconds, make sure all the lines are formed already. 10,
Vanessa, here.
9, 8,
1,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We have the line of grade 8, grade 9, grade 10, and grade 7.
so we can have certain per box a tile. One tile, one person. So one person can stay in the middle of the tile. Para ang distance natin is uniform. So one tile again. Participants, one tile, one person. So isang katao lang siyang dirama. Again, one tile, one person. Or grade 7 and 8, please form a line. No, one tile, one person. One person should stay in the middle of the tile. Here, okay.
Again, one person per tile of our map. Let's follow this mechanic.
Very exciting match there. They have their own strategies on how to make this game exciting. Okay, let's now start. Pasils, kindly hold the cup. And please be with the cup from time to time. Again, Pasils, if the cup will fall, go back to the first player.
May we request our player, each player, to please place yourself on one tile only.
With the same process. No. Again, players, from here, following the process, and then from the last player, we also follow the process. Yes, ma'am. Going back. Dili siya one way, two ways na siya.
So, from player 1 to player 10.
And
And player 10 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end point of the game.
Okay, let's start. In 3, 2, 1, and go!
Here we have
It's
the
okay
great
lang, te. Okay lang, te.
teachers.
Okay lang na siya. Okay, wala man niyang ibutang.
Here we have the great
Grabe lang.
teachers who please
Okay?
facilitate.
Again, Pasils, please be with the cup. Okay, what about we also hear cheers from the other grade level, grade 8, Maginay! Grade 9! Grade 10!
Once the cups
Okay?
we'll go back to square one. Once the cup falls,
We go back to square one. So, si grade 7, pabalik na ilahang cup. Same also with grade
7, you can do it. Go grade 8, go grade 8.
Okay. Go grade 8 and grade 10. Makakahabol pa kayo.
No touching of blocks.